I never searched. You came like a summer sunset, warm and calm, a peace I won't forget. But when you left, you ripped the air from my chest, turned my quiet into a storm unrest. Why ask for truth you couldn't hold?